Here's how to cancel your CapCut Pro subscription. Now, on your iPhone, Android, or computer, open up the CapCut app. Now, you can either do it in the CapCut app, or you could do it in the App Store or Google Play Store. To do it in here, you can see at the very top, bottom right, is Me. So tap on Me here, and you can see T Nace, and it says Standard. So I'm paying for the Standard account. You might be paying for a Pro account instead. Let's tap where it says Standard right next to your name, and you'll be able to see here. I have Standard. Standard expires in basically February 19th, 2026. At the very top right in faint letters is the Manage button. Let's tap on Manage at the very top right. And now you can see individual plans, and there is cancel subscription. To be able to cancel it, all I need to do is tap on that and then hit confirm. Now keep in mind, if you don't see it on here, not everybody will see it on here, you can just hop out of here and instead open up the App Store or Google Play Store. From here, you can cancel it by tapping on your profile at the top right, and then tapping on subscriptions here. And there you'll be able to see is CapCut. I can just tap on it, and from here, just tap on cancel subscription, and you can see at the very bottom, cancel subscription, and you won't be billed anymore going forward.